Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sort by specific column in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large data sets and need to organize information in a particular order, whether that's alphabetically, numerically, or by any other criteria that matters to your project. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.workspace.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where all your Google apps and files are accessible. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to sort by a specific column. This could be any sheet you've been working on, whether it's a sales report, inventory list, or project tracker. Clicking on it will open the spreadsheet in a new tab or window. Now comes the important part of selecting your data range. Click on the first cell you want to include in your sort. This is typically where your data begins. While holding down the Shift key on your keyboard, click on another cell to create a highlighted range. This action selects all the cells between your first click and your second click, ensuring you capture all the data you need to sort. Make sure you've selected the entire range you want to work with, as this determines what gets sorted. With your range selected, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Data. A drop-down menu will appear with various data manipulation options. From this menu, click on Sort Range, which gives you control over how your data is organized. Then click on Advanced Range Sorting Options. This opens up more detailed sorting controls that allow you to customize exactly how you want your information arranged. In the advanced sorting window that appears, you'll see an option that says Sort By. Click the drop-down menu beside it. This drop-down displays all the available columns in your selected range. Select the specific column you want to sort by. For example, if you want to organize your data based on column C, simply select column C from this list. This tells Google Sheets which column should determine the order of your entire selected range. Finally, choose whether you want to sort your data from A to Z, which arranges it in ascending order, or from Z to A, which arranges it in descending order. This applies to both alphabetical and numerical data. Once you've made your selection, click Sort. Your spreadsheet will instantly reorganize based on the column and order you specified. And that's it. Your data is now sorted exactly how you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.